بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to science class. Open your book page 6. Students, as usual, first we will revise our previous lecture. In our previous lecture we read about the circulatory system. That circulatory system is a system through which blood circulates in our whole body. Then we read that heart is an important organ in circulatory system because it pumps the blood to all parts of our body. Then we read that circulatory system consists of heart, veins and arteries. Then we read the functions of veins and arteries. That veins carry blood from body to the heart and arteries carry blood from heart to the body. Okay students, now let's start our today's lecture. Today our topic is the respiratory system. The respiratory system. Students, first I will tell you what is respiration. What is respiration? The taking in of oxygen and taking out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. The taking in of oxygen and taking out of carbon dioxide is called respiration, and it is also called breathing. Students, आप लोग जानते हो कि हमें ज़िंदा रहने के लिए सांस लेने की ज़रूरत होती है, और आपको मालूम है कि हम सांस किससे लेते हैं? वेरी गुड, नाक से. और स्टूडेंट्स, इस सांस लेने को रिस्पायरेशन कहते हैं. रिस्पायरेशन के 2 स्टेप्स होते हैं, हवा को अंदर करना और हवा को बाहर निकालना. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम हवा को अंदर करते हैं तो इस टाइम हवा में जो ऑक्सीजन होता है वो हमारे बॉडी में अंदर चला जाता है, और जब हम हवा को बाहर निकालते हैं तो इसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमारे बॉडी से बाहर निकलता है. तो इस सारे प्रोसेस को हम रिस्पायरेशन कहते हैं या ब्रीथिंग कहते हैं. एंड नाउ, what is respiratory system? What is respiratory system? The system through which respiration occur is called respiratory system. The system through which respiration occur is called respiratory system. Now let's start our reading. The respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe and lungs. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe and lungs. Students, look at this picture. This is our respiratory system. This is our respiratory system. Our respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Nose, windpipe and lungs. We have 2 lungs. One is on the left side and one is on the right side. Students, this is our respiratory system. Air enter into the nose and then passes through the windpipe. Air enter into the nose and then it passes through the windpipe and then it enter into the lungs. This is the first step of respiration. This is the first step of respiration, and here in lungs carbon dioxide is present, so the reverse process occur. The carbon dioxide present in the lungs passes through the windpipe and then it comes out from the nose. This is the second step of respiration. The second step of respiration. Now, air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by this system. Air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by this system. Students, as I have told you, the air enter in and come out from the body through respiratory system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. In lungs, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occur. In lungs, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Oxygen enter into the blood and then transported into the body. Oxygen enters into the blood and then transported into the body. Okay students, now I am going to tell you a short summary of today's lecture. First we read about the respiration. The taking in of oxygen and taking out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. The taking in of oxygen and taking out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. And respiratory system is a system through which respiration occurs. Respiratory system is a system through which respiration occurs. Then we read respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Then we read in lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. Now come to page 10. Question number 8 is your homework. Label the systems and their organs. But you will label just this one diagram. You will write their organs names. This is your homework. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.